In this video, I am going to discuss about the two topics. One is the macroscopic and microscopic approaches. Second topic is the concept of continuum. Now, we move to the first topic, macroscopic and microscopic. In thermodynamics, the study of the behavior of matter can be two ways. The two ways are one is macroscopic, another one is a microscopic. To study the matter by the two ways. Let the matter be the air in a container. The task is, we want to know the behavior of the gas in the container. This can be by the two ways, that is macroscopic, microscopic. Okay. Now the gas in the container, gas or air, okay, in the container. In a gas, there are the n number of molecules. Each molecule their own property, which may be different to each other. The properties of that molecules are as energy levels, velocity, and etc. Because of this difference of the properties of the molecules, they will keep on moving in a random motion. Due to this random motion, there is a chance of collision rate is very high. Because of this collision, the chance of the behavior of the molecule, the change of the behavior of the molecule is very high. Okay. First, there are the n number of molecules. Their properties are different to each other. Because of this difference in the property, there is a chance of collision. Due to this collision, the frequency of changing properties of the molecule is very high. At that instant, it is very difficult to know or find what is the behavior of each molecule. Generally, the meaning of to know the behavior of the molecule is, we need to take the consideration of the all that is each and every molecule behavior. For that, we have to sum up all the molecule behavior. That is the ideal process. This type of study is made by the microscopic study. This type of to know the each and every molecule behavior, this type of study can be done by the microscopic study or a statistical thermodynamics. This is the one of the process. The second same task can be done by the another way also, that is by the macroscopic study. How the macroscopic study process will take? Here only the behavior of the it is very easy compared to the microscopic study. Here only the few variables are taken into the consideration to define a system. Here also it will define the system about the air contained in the system. Here in this, then they not consider about the structure of the molecule, and they don't speak about the molecules to define the system in the gas in the container by the simply by using a device. If you want to know the what is the pressure, by the pressure gauge, by the pressure gauge. If you want to know the about the temperature in the gas container, by the thermometer. With a simple device in this process, by this study, we know the we can know the what is behavior of the system. This type of is a simple method to study the behavior of the molecule is the macroscopic study. If you look at it, same it will study the in microscopic, it will study in detail about the each and every molecule container in the every molecule contains in the container. Same, the end effect only calculated by the macroscopic. Okay, if you see, because of this collision, because of this collision process, the molecule momentum will keep on changing. This rate of molecule momentum per unit area is the pressure. Okay, that pressure is measuring by using a simply with the pressure gauge. At finally end result is knowing, just end result only knowing, but it won't talk about the up to the molecular level of the action, what the actual molecule behaviors, it won't talk. Okay, that is the difference between the these two processes. Okay, it is very easy. Macroscopic, it is too difficult. In thermodynamics, we enter thermodynamics mostly it will take only the macroscopic approach. Okay, up to now it is clear how the behavior of the molecules is studied by the macroscopic and microscopic. Now we talk about the difference between the two process. Here we will talk about the what are the differences in the study approach. Okay, in terms of the structure, here no need of the knowledge of the about the structure of the molecules. Here they require the knowledge of the structure of the molecule to study in this process. That is the one difference. Next, the level of the action taking in the macroscopic, it won't take the level up to the molecule, but here it will take the up to the molecule level of study. What are the variables? Only few variables are it will take to consider to define a system. Here a lot of variables are involved to study this macroscopic study. This is another difference we can notice. Next, the very simple formulas are required to define a system. What are the formulas are used in both the systems? Very simple. Here a complex formulas are required to define a system. So because of this simple formulas, very few variables are taken in this process, so the time taken is also very less. Here too much time is taken to calculate or define this system in this. Okay, now I think it is enough to clear this concept. Okay, the second topic in this video is the concept of continuum. Generally the body, suppose it is a body. The body is consists of a n number of particles. Okay, n number of particles. These particles can be subdivided into the molecules, atoms and electron and so on. Okay, now talking about the concept of continuum. Suppose this is a molecule contained, a gas molecule contained in the container. In actual case, now I am writing about what is the actual case. In actual case, each molecule, these are the molecules. Each molecule have their have their own properties. Own properties. Because of this own properties one to the each other, there is a different to the each other. Because of this different properties one to another, because of this difference, the molecules will move in random motion. The random motion, because of this different in the properties of molecule one to the each other, they will move in the random motion. Because of this random motion, there is a chance of collision. The chance of collision. The chance of collision is very frequently. Due to this collision, there is a uncertainty molecule behavior. There is no due to this collision, the uncertainty will very high, the behavior of the molecule. In this case, in such a case, to study the about the system too difficult, we can say it is not possible also.